good, you made it. Hop in.
Whose chopper is this?
No idea. Come on. In order to pinpoint the location of the frequency, we need to triangulate the... you're gonna have to plant a few fancy devices in a few places and then get Frank on the line with this phone and get confirmation that he's in the same physical space as Karen. Can you do that?
I can do that.
Great! First stop, top of the wrecking ball. Oh, and here, put this in your ear so I can whisper sweet nothings into your brain from afar. Okay, get out.
What do you mean, get out?
Here, take the parachute. Come on, go, go, go.
Okay. Plant the toy. Uh-oh.
What is it?
The buzz is downstairs, circling like sharks. They're all wild about reckless tourists parachuting under the wrecking ball. Get out of there.
How?
Jump, then lose the buzz. Sending you the where to put the next tracker.
Yeah, you do that.
Breaking news. In what some are calling an immature prank, at least 2 security guards at the Vegas phone company building were shot dead today. Police say it was too dark to get a good look at the assailant from the security camera's footage, but they will continue to search for forensic evidence. Mayoral candidate Reverend Winston Goodman commented at a press conference,
"When is the violence in this town going to stop? Something's got to give. Vote for Goodman."
"We will keep you updated as this situation develops."
It's done.
Yes, yes! Okay. Now get Frank on the line with that phone I gave you, keep him on the phone, and get to the middle of the triangulation. Don't let him hang up.
Got it.
Well, ring a my ding ding and fly me to the fucking moon.
Frank, it's Jason.
Yeah, I know.
I'm calling to negotiate a surrender.
What's to negotiate? You tell Vera I want her to strut down the strip wearing nothing but a clapboard that says hand jobs in 2 hours. Tell her not to worry. When the shot comes, she won't feel a thing.
We need confirmation that Karen is alive first.
I'm insulted. Of course she's alive. I am not a monster.
Prove it. Put her on.
Hello? Jason, is that you?
Put her on, Frank.
Fine. Karen, your boyfriend wants to talk to you.
Please tell me you guys are working out a way to kill this asshole.
Ooh, that's not a nice thing to say. There, you heard your sweetheart's voice. We done?
No. That message on the clapboard. You sure that's what you wanted to say?
Got it. They're at the City of Saints Casino. Done, bam, wonderful, majestic, hang up.
All right, gotta go, Frank. I'll pass everything along to Vera. E, all that work to find out Frank is holding Karen at his home-based casino?
We found her. Focus on the positive muscle. Meet us across the street from the City of Saints.